The integration of u to the power of n, where u to the power of n is an elementary function, direct integration can be used. Example of elementary function is sin x is an elementary function because the derivative is very simple to cos x is an elementary function, x squared is an elementary function, exponential x is also an elementary function, or any polynomial function. Direct integration can be used to find. Also, radical power functions that are not composite functions, direct integration can also be used to find the integration that are not composite functions. But given the function, if the function is of the form x to the power of 3 plus x multiplied by 3x to the power of 2 plus 1, to integrate this function, this is a composite function. Given the function x cubed plus x to the power of 5 multiplied by 3x squared plus 1, to integrate this function, this is a composite function. X to the power of 3 plus x is a polynomial function. Then x squared plus x to the power of 5, this is also an exponential function. So it's going to be a composite function. In this case, we are going to use integration by substitution to find the integral. Solution. What is going to be the integral of x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 5 multiplied by 3x squared plus 1? To find the integral of this function, this is a composite multiplied by another polynomial function. To use substitution, let u be the inside the composite function, x to the power of 3 plus x. What is the u, the x? So what is the u, the x of this function? This is 3x squared plus 1. So in this case, from here, let all the term with x go to one side and the term without x come to the other side. Now, the integral of x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 5 multiplied by 3x squared plus 1 dx is equals to x cubed plus x is now u to the power of 5 multiplied by, what is 3x squared plus 1 dx is equals to du multiplied by du. So the integral of this function is, you can now use direct integral in this case. Add 1 to the power over the new power plus constant of integration. This is the same thing as u to the power of 6 divided by 6 plus c. From above, u is equals to x to the power of 3 plus x by the power of 6 divided by 6 plus constant of integration. So the integral of x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 5 multiplied by 3x squared plus 1 dx is equals to x cubed plus of 6 plus c. This is the integral of the function. To check if the integration is correct, you can check. Now, what is going to be the derivative of the function we just integrate? To find the integral, this is the same thing as what? X cubed plus x to the power of 6 multiplied by 1 over 6 plus the. This is the same thing as what? What is this? Is a composite function. X is a polynomial to the power of 6. To use chain rule to differentiate this is the same thing as g prime u of x multiplied by u of x, derivative of u of x, plus the constant differentiation. U of x is equals to the inside the composite function. G of u is equals to u to the power of 6. So this is the same thing as 1 over 6. What is the u u of g of u to the power of 6 reduce the power multiply by the power multiply by what is differential of u 3x squared plus 1 constant is what equals to 0 1 over 6 6 to the power of u to the power of 5 3x squared plus 1 the same thing as 6 will go away with this. What is u from above? U is equals to x to the power of 3 plus x all to the power of 5 multiplied by 3x squared plus 1. This is derivative of x cubed plus x to the power of 6 plus constant divided by 6. The integral of x cubed plus x to the power of 5 multiplied by 3x squared plus 1 dx is equals to x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 6 divided by 6 plus c is the antiderivative of this function. The integral of square root of 2x plus 1 dx. In this case, 2x plus 1 is a polynomial. Square root is another function. This is going to be a composite function. To integrate this, you are going to use integration by substitution to find the integral. First, let u be the inside the composite function. 2x plus 1. Then the u dx is going to be 2. Make sure anything with term of x should go the other side and the term without x to go the other side. The u same thing as the x. So the integral of square root of 2x plus 1 dx is the same thing as integral of square root. The inside is now u multiply by what is the x? The x is the u over 2. This is the same thing as u to the power of half multiplied by the u. You can factor 1 over 2 out. What is going to be the integral of this function? By direct integral, add 1 to the power over the new power plus constant of integration. This is the same thing as u to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus constant of integration. It's the same thing as u to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus constant of integration. U to the power of 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 3 plus constant of integration. From above, what is u? 2x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 divided by. So from here, 2 will go away with 2 and we have it to be 2x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 as the integral of square root of 2x plus 1 dx. You can rewrite this as square root of 2x plus 1 to the power of 3 divided by 3 plus c as the integral of square root of 2x plus 1 dx. If you differentiate this function, it will give this function. Find the integral of the function x squared exponential x cubed. To find the integral, x squared exponential x to the power of 3 dx. In this case, exponential x to the power of 3 is not an elementary because exponential to the power of x is an elementary. In this case, exponential x cubed is a composite function. Let u be the power of the exponential to the power of 3. The u over the x is equals to 3x squared. Then separate any term with x to one side and the term without x to the other side. This same thing as the u divided by 3 equals to x squared. So the integral of x squared exponential x to the power of 3 dx is the same thing as x squared dx is now the u multiplied by what is exponential xk is exponential u. This is same thing as well. The integral of exponential u du 1 over 3 is a constant. What is going to be the integral of this function is exponential u plus constant. 1 over 3 exponential u is equal to x to the power of 3 plus c, constant of integration. So the integral of x squared exponential x to the power of 3 dx is this. You can check. To check is to differentiate the antiderivative of this function. This is the same thing as 1 over 3 differentiate, because 1 over 3 is a constant, the constant c. What is going to be the derivative of this function? 1 over 3. To differentiate exponential, keep the function multiplied by the derivative of the power plus 0. This is the same thing as 1 over 3 3x squared exponential x to the power of 3. This will go away with this. This is x squared exponential x cubed. This is the function that we integrate. So the antiderivative of this function is 1 over 3 exponential x cubed plus c. Find the integral of 4x cubed divided by x to the power of 4 plus. Find the integral of this function. The denominator is a composite of polynomial function all square. So to find this integral, let u be the inside of the composite function. The u dx is equals to 4x to the power of 3 plus 0. In this case, let all the term with x go to one side, dx. This is same thing as the u divided by 4 equals to x cubed dx. So to find the integral of 4x cubed divided by x4 plus 1 to the power of 2 dx, this is the same thing as 4x cubed dx is now du divided by x to the power of 4 plus 1 all square is u to the power. So this is going to be the integral of u to the power of minus 2 du. This is the same thing as, now you can use direct integration as minus 2 plus 1 over the new power plus constant of integration. From here we have u to the power of minus 1 over the new power plus constant of integration. This same thing as minus 1 over u to the power of 1 plus c. But from above, u is equals to what? U is equals to x to the power of 4 plus 1 plus the constant c. So this is the integral of 4x to the power of 3 divided by x4 plus 1 all squared dx. If you find the derivative of this function, it's going to give 4x cubed divided by x to the power of 4 plus 1 all squared. But in a case where the question is x to the power of 3 divided by x4 plus 1 to the power of square dx, you are going to use the second du divided by 4 equals to x cubed dx from above. So in that case, you use this second if the question is x to the power of 3 dx divided by x to the power of 4 plus 1 all square. Then you use this substitution. But in a case where the question is 4x to the power of 3, x to the power of 4 plus 1 all square dx, then you use. Find the integral of 2x x to the power of 2 plus 5 to the power of minus 4 dx. In this case, this is the same thing as 2x divided by x squared plus 5 all to the power of 4 dx. Then this is a composite function. Let u be the inside here. What is the u over the x? Is 2x plus 0. This implies that the u is equals to 2x dx. The 2x dx we want is, but in the case where this place is x, then we further say the u equals to x dx. But in this case, we need 2x dx, then we stop at this point. To find the integral of 2x x squared plus 5 to the power of minus 4 dx, this is the same thing as 2x dx is now du. X squared plus 5, this divided by x squared plus 5 is now u to the power of 4. This is the same thing as u to the power of minus 4 du. Now use direct integration plus 1 over the new power plus constant of integration. be same thing as u to the power of minus 3 divided by minus plus c. We have it to be minus 1 over 3 u to the power of 3 plus constant of integration. From above, what is u? U is x squared plus 5 to the power of 3 plus constant of integration. So the integral of 2x squared plus 5 to the power of minus 5 dx is minus 1 over 3 x squared plus 5 to the power of 3 plus c. So the integral of this function is equals to minus 1 divided by 3 multiplied by x squared plus 5 all to the power of 3 plus c. If you find the derivative of this function, now it's going to give this 2x squared plus 5 to the power of minus 4. Thanks for watching. Next video, you are going to discuss integral of logarithm function and integration by partial fraction.